up, guys? It's Bass Boys here. Ryan out here today at the good old landfill slash dump. That's the dump. But yeah, every time you make this walk, we're like exhausted by the time we get here. So we take like a breather for a minute before we start fishing. But yeah, we're gonna hope for some crappies again today, some bass. And we'll see what happens here. Alright, let's get started with the St. Croix Legend Tournament here. Walleye series rod. It's a 7-foot light, extra fast action with a Cast King Megatron. And then I'm using 6-pound fluoro. And then the juggle minnow here, 4-inch on a weedless football jig head there. I'm liking this setup here. It's been really good. Once again, we are the only fishermen here, which is a good thing. Lots of people in the main lake. Back here where most of the fishing has been really good is not many people. Doesn't look like anything serious, really. Just hope it doesn't like...
I left my raincoat at home.
Yeah, I don't have mine, so looks like we're just gonna get soaked.
Yeah, here it comes.
It's gonna be a rainy day fishing with no rain gear and my giant bag, not a raincoat in it. Well, in the past, rainy days have been good, so we're hoping.
Dang, you got a hit.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. That freaking, see how high he jumped?
Yeah.
That was crazy. Man, it's a fighter too. He actually isn't a bad bass. Man, he almost inhaled the thing, almost. Wouldn't be surprised if he did. No, just on the top. No, it just popped out. First bass here. Not a bad one. Trying to get more of this kind of view now when I catch a fish. It's just difficult getting the camera off the chest while I'm in the water.
Right, it's over.
Yeah, the rain's over. Oh, got another hit.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it a slab?
I don't know what it is. It's coming at me fast. God, this thing is like going super fast. I can't even keep up with it. This actually might be a good fish. Hasn't jumped. It's weird. That's
a slab.
Oh, if this is a slab, it's gonna be a massive slab. That's a bass. He didn't jump at all. Another good size one. Chunky one. Look at that, he came right off again. It's like all the pressure just holding him on. There's another one, dark green one. And he ain't really front camera worthy. Let him go. Bass number 2. Crappies, they don't seem to be around, at least not yet, so we might as well strike casting our 5-inch Yamamoto Fat Senko here. And this is the same rod, just in the Bass Series Legend Tournament, St. Croix, 7'3", medium power. And then I got on my Shimano Stratic 2500. 10-pound Suffix 832 braid with a fluorocarbon leader. Suddenly it was calm and now it's raining again. Yeah, a little bit bigger raindrops here. These are the kind that get you soaked. Let's get a fish in the rain here. Oh, I do. Oh. I think I broke off.
Are you serious?
Take my fluorocarbon. Man, is it raining?
I wish it was hot outside.
Yeah.
Then it wouldn't be an issue.
Oh man! Oh man! Man, what a that's some baloney right there. I just would have got a bass in that heavy rain. Would have been awesome. I think it's gonna be over soon. All right. Well, retide. It's not the first time that's happened. Oh, have a hit. There we go. That time didn't break. I don't think it's a very big fish though. No, it's a little bass. It's the third one today. Right through the nose. Small bass. As soon as it hit the water, you hit it. Bass number 3. First one on the fat sinker today. Hopefully those ones I stole my hooks. Or the one that stole my hook wasn't a big one. I might put a tanuki on now that I think of it.
Really?
Did really good with a tanuki here.
Did?
Last year, yeah. Just can't get nothing really going here so far. Very slow fishing to start. What happened? Crappie? Dang. Gotta find out where they're hiding, man. Where are they hiding and when are they gonna bite? Changing it up and putting a pearl white juggle minnow on. Gotta find these crappies. Heck are they? Going back to the Senko. Seems to be the only thing I've really been having any kind of luck today with. Did get one on the juggle, but I'm gonna try the regular 5-inch Gary. Yeah, it's been the only thing that's caught. That's been getting bites, really. Come on, fish. Heck are you? It's like they seem to just say that we ain't biting. We just wanted to stop biting. Hook one.
No!
Popped off. At least one hit.
0 for 4.
It wasn't a big one now, it's just a regular. Oh, I just had a hit.
Really? Dang.
All of a sudden they just bite. A little tiny bass. Tiny. Of course it splashed and hit my back. Is the feeding gonna begin soon? There's signs of life. Switching over to the Yamamoto Tanuki, 3.5 inch. It's a big chunky bait. Let's see if the tanuki can make a difference here. Man, that one went far. Bigly. Oh, that could have been a hit.
Really?
That felt a little too hit-like there.
Really?
Yep.
You got it?
Yep.
Yeah, there's the flag.
No, it's a tanuki. God, look how far away he is. Just dragging him across the water.
Yeah.
Look at me, I'm just dragging this fish in. You don't want to put up no fight. He liked the tanuki though. He was far out there. Hooked him good. Felt like I didn't get a good hook set really, but I did. First fish in like another hour. Getting them hourly here right now. Hopefully that changes soon. We get them every cast. Oh, I got one.
Really?
Ah, what the fuck, man. First cast on the jugal.
Really?
Fuck. Want to just catch a slab. So I want to start catching these. Oh, another one.
Really?
They got the slab.
Missed it again?
No, I got it. I hope he doesn't come off though. This is probably gonna be a bass, I bet. Just kind of feels like it.
Really?
Kind of does.
Yeah.
What was that?
I don't know.
What the frick was that? That thing looked weird, didn't it?
Yeah. I couldn't tell you what the fuck that was.
I think the crappies are out there. Try the crappie max, little swim bait, baby super shad. Got one? Mine's finally hooked up.
Fucking
There we go. Finagled him out of there.
somehow I got him out.
Takes a little jiggling. Actually not too bad of one. Thought it was gonna be smaller. First fish of the day came light for you.
Yeah. It's barely hooked.
Yeah, I'm surprised he stayed on. There we go. I don't know what we hooked here. Probably a bass. There we got him out. Got this bastard out. I think he went in it again. Fish is staying down. Yeah, it's like that same size. Even smaller. Yeah, little one. Yeah, we can't find the crappie. What's going on? Another one.
Really?
This might be a crappie. Let's see. Let's see if it is. The little ones are coming in. Just like they did that one day. Tiny little, he gone. Yeah, I swear, we better not just catch those. There we go. Eye on the bass. I think this is a crappie, I think. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Nope, it's a bass. A bass again. A chunker. Not a big bass though. Oh, there we go. Let's hope we found a crappie. Let's see. Ah, come on. Dang old bass. Second one out in that spot though. Doing better with the small gear though than I was doing with the other stuff, unless it just happened to be biting now. They always just come right out. It's funny. See front camera? Yeah. He's front camera worthy. There he is. Pretty good bass. Hey, look at this. Look at Ryan. He's like slouched over, like a slouchman. Oh, I thought it was bigger. I thought that was actually going to be like a bucket mouth.
Really?
Not bad though. Ryan's bass. Had to unhook it. It was hooked good. Just got a hit. Got another one. Come on, please be a slab. Oh, it is. I think so. I think I finally got a crappie. Yep. There we go. Nice slab. Finally. Took till the sun went down. Let's see. Let's see if it's even sunset yet. Almost. Let's get the slab released. Let's see if Ryan's got a slab.
Ow.
He'd have to be like another inch to qualify as the... That's good though. That's 2 crappies in a row.
Yeah.
Got him?
I think, yeah, definitely.
Let's see if it's a slab.
Looks like a bass.
I think it is a crappie.
Oh, yeah, it's a crappie.
That almost is a slab. Not gonna lie. That one's definitely bigger than the one you just caught.
Oh yeah.
That's like a mini slab.
Yeah, mini slab.
That qualifies. Ryan's getting them out there. Well, folks, it's gonna wrap up our landfill pond video number 5 or 6 now. Deep into this place. Did manage to land 1, maybe technically 2 slab crappies. Mine was more of a slab. Ryan's was like on the border of being a slab, but we can count it. Some bass. It was not a very good start. Just a couple bass and then a long pause between fish, and it seemed like every 40 minutes we got one. And then towards the end here, we got a little bit of a bite. There's some bat flying around or something. 8:30, yeah, it's gonna have to be it. So, Guys, like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.
Bye.